Hey guys, Boops and Beeps back once again, and we're actually headed to the Humane Society Thrift Store in Lebanon, PA. This is only our second time here and our first time filming it. What's cool about this thrift shop is all of the proceeds benefit the animals. So again, it's the Humane Society Thrift Shop in Lebanon, PA. If you're ever in the area, do check it out. The other great thing about the thrift store is besides supporting the animals, there's also a lot of great merchandise to resell, and it's very, very inexpensive compared to like the other thrift stores in around the area, like Goodwills and things like that. You'll see things for 25 cents, 50 cents, $1. They have toys, clothing, vintage, and lots more. So hit the like button for us, guys, and subscribe, and enjoy the scenery here as we're on our way to the thrift store in Lebanon, PA. So if you guys are new to the channel, we've been selling on eBay for over 15 years. We also sell on Amazon and Mercari a little bit as well. But we sell just about everything and anything that we can find for a profit, mostly small items. So if you're just new to reselling or you've been reselling for a while, hopefully you can enjoy our videos and learn a few things of what to do or what not to do. So enjoy the video, and here we go. All right, we are pulling in. There's the front of the store, and here is the parking. It looks like it is packed. We got a spot here, hopefully. I didn't mention, the cool thing about this thrift shop is there's actually, I think 3 or 4 cats who reside here in the thrift shop, and you can talk to them, pet them, and that's a really cool feature, of course, of the thrift store. You're getting to see some of the animals as well. So here we go, guys. Let's go into the shop. Jacket, but it wasn't. Oh, this is one of the Wendy's bears from back in the 90s, I think, or something. There was a female and a boy. I had the boy when I was younger.
That's cool.
They're pretty cool.
Selection of games and puzzles. Here's Boops.
I'm gonna try these. I wonder.
And then you pay that screen. And then your time my teeth are good when they're black on the bottom. I got so much long for you. My last four.
They got cribs and cribs of plush, which is really cool. You can kind of dig through here and find lots of either vintage ones or even some newer plush as well. Boston Celtics tie, I believe. I had a Sixers like this one I sold. They're pretty cool. good prices on books. Hardbacks $1, paperbacks $50, magazines 25 cents.
It's good.
Seating area. If you find a book you want to look through for a little bit, you can do that. A lot of VHS. Lived into. This is an old high school jacket. It has a guy's name on it still. Look at the back. Cedar Crest, 1978.
Oh my gosh. That's
Cool.
crazy. Clothes, clothes, clothes.
Oh, that's awesome.
That two-door L1. Yeah, okay. Shoot it. Thank you.
You get Cheetos Morning Blend Kitty Town Coffee.
That's so cool.
Well, that supports the Humane Society, of course. Some baseball cards. Tops. Got some vintage one in here, 86. It's cool. All kinds of ones. Some old ones in there. Never know what you find in here, huh?
Right.
Machito is asleep. No, he's awake.
Hey, Kina.
Machito. Hi, buddy. He's sleepy, huh?
Hi. What is it?
Well,
Henry.
cat butt.
Oh, and I didn't ask you about the doctor one. I forgot about the doctor. You're not really interested in it anyway. Okay. Okay. See you again this week. Oh.
Probably smells that bacon.
You did, Henry. Hi, Henry.
Try to get his attention.
Oh, yeah, what you said. Trying to help.
Yeah, play with the toy.
That's because it's free now. Bye, Tom.
Hi, Connor. Oh, I want to pet your belly.
Aww. Hey, Gunner.
Hi, Connor. Look at this smile. So adopted. You're beautiful, Katie. Looks like a moon. Black and white.
He doesn't always create something. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
What's cool is you find these vintage board games here too. This is similar to Clue, but a different company. Cell Chow and Writer Company, New York, USA. Who done it? Probably came out the same time, within the same time Clue did originally, probably back in the 70s or so, I'm guessing. 1972. So pretty cool, huh? Find a lot of those here.
Not very tall.
It's up to 25.
Didn't really expect that, honestly. All the video games here were only 50 cents. Mostly sports titles, a few other titles. There's some Xbox, original Xbox, some PS3, PS4, and also a Switch game. Mostly sports titles again. The cases are a bit rough, but the discs seem to be in pretty decent shape, so 50 cents a piece is probably a good deal. Alright guys, thanks for joining us. Hit the like button for us and subscribe. And this is Boops and Beeps, and we are out.